Unlock unimaginable automation possibilities by connecting your Raspberry Pi to the power of Zapier. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your Raspberry Pi into a central hub for smart automation. Seamlessly integrating it with thousands of your favorite apps, this opens up a world of custom solutions for your home, IoT projects, and beyond. First things first, head over to Zapier.com and log in or sign up for an account once you're in. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the Create Zap button. This is where the magic begins. For our Raspberry Pi to communicate with Zapier, we'll use a powerful tool called Webhooks in the trigger stage of your Zap. Search for and select Webhooks by Zapier. This acts as our communication bridge. Within the Webhooks by Zapier trigger, choose the Catch Hook event. Zapier will then provide you with a unique URL. This is the address your Raspberry Pi will send information to. This URL is crucial. You'll configure your Raspberry Pi to send data to this specific webhook URL. When an event occurs that you want to automate, think of it as the digital mailbox your Pi will send packages to. Now, let's define what happens when Zapier receives that data. This is your action. Browse and select the app you want to control. For example, if you want to trigger a smart light, you might choose your smart home platform. Choose the specific action you want to perform, like turning on a light, adjusting a thermostat, or sending an email. You'll then map the data received from your Raspberry Pi through the webhook to the corresponding fields in the action. This tells Zapier exactly what to do with the information. Before you turn your Zap on, always utilize the test trigger and test action features. This lets you ensure your Raspberry Pi is sending data correctly and that your chosen action is executing as expected. It's your real-time confirmation that everything is working. And there you have it. With your Zap configured and tested, simply turn it on now. Any event triggered on your Raspberry Pi that sends data to your webhook will instantaneously automate the action you've defined in Zapier, expanding your smart home and project capabilities exponentially.